What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to go live with your pre-recorded videos. So it's really easy. All you need to do is to download the software called OBS. So we go to the Google. It's actually free. OBS download. Okay. So this should be appearing in your screen right now if you're going to do this. So it's completely free. So just click on it. So depending on your software on what you are using, so it could be Mac or Windows, just download it. It's for free when you already downloaded it. So if you want to live and you have a recorded video in your computer already saved in your computer, so you can start live. So all you have to remember is, in order for you to go live in YouTube, it should be, your channel should be at least 2 to 3 days old. So we go start live already. So we go start the live now. So you go to your profile, go to the YouTube studio. Okay, go to the YouTube studio. It's a bit slow today, the internet. So if you could see it here, you click this one, go live. Okay, so it will lead you to this screen in YouTube. So here we go. So this is gonna be the setup. So all you need to do is copy the stream key, default stream key. So this is the key. All you have to do is copy this one. Copy that. Okay. Now you have already copied that. So it's minimize that one. Now remember you downloaded the OBS. So you just open the OBS. So go to the settings. So remember that you copied the stream key, right? So when you click the settings, it will lead you here. So go to the stream here. So make sure that this is YouTube, okay? To do it in YouTube, because you can also do it in Facebook, okay? So just delete that one. So paste the stream key. So that's the stream key you already have. So that one will be connected to your YouTube channel, okay? So if you want to add video, go to add this one, plus, then name it. After you name it, just click OK. Then add a video here. So go to video source. You just click the video source, then name it, then press OK. Then it will lead you to your, just click the shuffle playlist, okay? Then add a video, add files. Then it will lead you to your documents. Now you can choose whatever video you like to be uploaded as live, okay? So let's assume that you got a video already. Let's cancel that. Cancel that. So all you need to do is to start streaming. Start streaming, okay? So let's go back. Don't ever close this one when you're live, okay? Just minimize this one. Go back to your YouTube. So we're here. It's starting to go live. And voila. This certain video that I've chosen is already live. You're already live here. So that's how easy to set up live with your pre-recorded videos. So let's close that one. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe for more uploads. And yeah, see you next time.